Hello everyone, I am CS Ujjwal Pahwa. Welcome to another episode on Commodities, where we will discuss commodity trading strategy for beginners. It's now time to put our knowledge into making money. But first, as an educator, I feel it is my responsibility to tell you this. Commodity market is vast and complex. Trading in commodities cannot be taught through a 5-minute video. You need rigorous practice and learning in order to make investments. Also, commodity trading involves significant risk and is not suitable for every investor. Please do your thorough research before putting a single penny. So as you start investing your money in commodities, it might seem daunting and confusing. The theoretical world is different from the practical, but with the right strategies, you can manage risks and make informed decisions. So here I present you some beginner-friendly strategies to help you kickstart your trading journey. My number one piece of advice: always put a stop loss to your trade. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, stop loss is mandatory. Setting stop loss orders can help you limit potential losses by automatically selling a position when it reaches a certain price. Risk management is important. Staying updated with the news is another key strategy. People tend to trade without any information to back up the trade. So always keep up with market news, economic reports, and geopolitical events that can impact commodity prices. Knowledge is power in trading, and being aware of market moving events can help big time. Never trade on misinformation or half information. Consider taking a long-term view in your trades. I'll give you an example. A commodity has risen and has given very competitive returns as compared to other assets. Keeping the commodity in your portfolio can be a good long-term investment due to their fundamental value. It also acts as a hedge against inflation. At last, you can use the seasonal trading strategy. This only applies to agricultural products. For example, agricultural commodities typically see price fluctuations based on planting and harvest seasons. By understanding these patterns, you can anticipate price movements and make strategic trades. Remember, the commodities market is dynamic and influenced by a myriad of factors. Success in this arena requires a blend of knowledge, discipline, and risk management. It's crucial that you stay updated on market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events. While we have provided valuable insights, it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Commodity trading, like any investment, carries risk, and it's vital to understand your risk tolerance. By combining fundamental and technical analysis, managing your risk effectively, and staying informed about market developments, you can increase your chances of success in the world of commodity trading. We hope this series has equipped you with the knowledge to confidently embark on your commodity trading journey. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey through the world of commodity trading. We hope this series has provided you with valuable knowledge and practical tips to help you succeed in the markets. If you found this series helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with fellow traders and investors.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.